Hello, my name is Salome Salcedo, and this is Persepolis by Marjan Satapri. This is my first delivery of the class project. Marjan Satapri was born on November 22nd of 1969. She is Iranian-born French graphic novelist, cartoonist, illustrator, film director, and children's book author. The first chapter is called The Veil. The Islamic Revolution in 1979 made them wear veils to school and separate them from their male friends in school. They ended bilingual schools. Her mother was photographed while she was at one demonstration. She was very scared. Marjan was a very religious child. She thought she was the last prophet. She wanted to fight for equality. The second chapter is called The Bicycle. She demonstrated in her garden. She compared the revolution to a bicycle. I quote, "When the wheels don't turn, it falls." Quote. She enjoyed reading about communism and socialism, Marx and Descartes. She knew about the revolutionaries in her country. Marjan used to talk to God from time to time when he visited her. She often heard about the atrocities that were happening under the Shah's mandate. She wanted to go to a real demonstration, but her parents wouldn't let her go because of the danger. The third chapter is called The Water Cell. Her father explained how the king wasn't chosen by God, but it was a putsch that went wrong because of the oil and the bread. She found out that her parent was a prince. Also, she found out that they tortured him by putting him in a cell filled with water for hours. The fourth chapter is called Persepolis. Her grandmother talked to her about the life they lived after they took everything from them. Her father arrives home talking about the demonstration and the dead bodies that pretend to be martyrs. The next chapter is called The Letter. Marjan helped her maid to write love letters for the neighbor's son. The maid pretended to be Marjan's sister. Her father went to clarify the situation. She was tired of social inequality. So in act of revelry, Marjan and her maid sneaked to a demonstration. The party. The reign of the Shah ended. Marjan learned about forgiveness, and also her father was convinced that as long as there was oil in the Middle East, they would never have peace. The Heroes is the next chapter. They liberate all the political prisoners. Two of them, Siamak and Mohsen, were family friends. Since little, Marjan knew that the reality for political prisoners was to die. That's it for the first 49 pages. Thanks for watching.